Hello, I hope you all are doing great on this winter day. Today, we're going to open up the Sew Sampler January subscription box. So if you're interested, stick around. So this is the box, and in the front cover, it has bows, bubbles, and blue skies. It has a Jolly Bar you can use to receive 20% off all Happy Cloud. Okay, so this is the pamphlet. And the very first thing is the Buttons and Bows Blueprint Junior Layer Cake by Camille Ross Kelly from Moda Fabrics. The value is $27.98. And it says, let your imagination wander with the Buttons and Bows Blueprint Junior Layer Cake by Camille Ross Kelly. This sweet stack of 24 10-inch squares is soft, bright, and full of delightful details with playful dots dancing alongside bubbly florals and cheerful plaids. The palette floats from airy sky blues to deep navy twilights, giving every print a calm, breezy feel. It's a collection that feels like blue skies tied up with timeless charm and simple joy. Let me open this up because I don't really like them when they're rolled. And show you what it comes with. These are beautiful. So these are the fabrics. This is really pretty right on the top. Oops, let me just take them down. Right one. Smaller print. There's the white one. Light blue. Too much. Is it sad? Well, that's pretty. These are all really, really pretty. I love this one. White background. Here's a small print. And it comes in with three different blues. Well, the two different blues and a white star. And then the light blue star. And navy blue star. And okay, the second item is a little bubble quilt as you go template. It is valued at $10.98. And this is what it looks like. It comes in this package. And this is the template. Can you see that? Quilt in a fresh, playful way with the little bubble quilt as you go template from Fat Quarter Shop. This clever tool creates cheerful bubble shapes with the look of curved piecing, all without extra steps or stress. Designed for easy quilt as you go sewing, it pairs perfectly with charm packs and batting squares for smooth, satisfying progress. It is a lighthearted, low-fuss approach to quilting that keeps things fun and floating along. Even better, Sew Sampler members got it first. Let me take it out and show you what it looks like. So it's about this big. So there's more than one shape and size to make with this, it looks like. Looks like you can make this bubble and that bubble. Finish it scalloped or squared, it says. And it's got 9 pages in this booklet. Alright, that should be fun to try out. The next item is 8-inch squares, 6-pack of 80/20 Silky Blend Happy Cloud quilt batting. It's valued at $3.24. So this pack includes 6 8x8-inch squares of this 80/20 Silky Blend, 80% natural cotton, 20% superior polyester. So, the next item is Buttons and Bows quilt pattern. So here is the quilt pattern that we're getting for this month. This is pretty. Looks like an hourglass shape. And the quilt is 44 by 53. The pattern is valued at $9.98. It is a Sew Sampler exclusive. It says soft curves and classic blocks come together in the charming Buttons and Bows quilt pattern. The design blends playful movement with clean structure, creating a quilt that feels polished yet lighthearted. It shines beautifully in soft blues, gentle neutrals, and cheerful prints for a timeless look with just the right touch of whimsy. Try it with the Junior Layer Cake in this month's box. It looks like what else you need is 7/8 of a yard of background, 1 3/4 yard of sashing and border, and 5/8 of a yard of binding, plus your backing. So let me see if I can get that over here. There you go. That's what you need. That would be a good project. And then they gave us this confetti 60 weight cloud confetti cotton, 100% cotton thread by Wonderful for Riley Blake Designs. The value is $12.48, and it says, light as a daydream and smooth as a gentle breeze, this 60 weight cotton thread is perfect for crisp piecing and barely there seams. This soft cloud confetti shade blends effortlessly into your fabrics, letting your stitching stay subtle and polished. Made by Wonderful for Riley Blake Designs, the 60 weight is great for applique and piecing by hand or machine, smooth, strong, and quietly dependable. It supports your project beautifully without stealing the spotlight. So, and then block number 10 for the monthly quilting block that they're sending, and it is valued at $4.98. So this flowering quilt block is ready to bloom. Let your creativity run wild as this sampler quilts sprouts into a true forget-me-not stitch by stitch. All of these will be available as a group once it's finished on the Fat Quarter shop. That is everything in this month's box. So right here on the screen, you'll see it all totaled up, each item. I will link below in the description box the website to get your subscription box if you're interested in subscribing to the Fat Quarter Shop monthly subscription box. Thank you for watching, and God bless you all.